Okay, so here we are back at the basement renovation, and it's a little bit messy, but it's coming along. The shower's mostly hooked up, not quite all the way. We're going to be getting in uh, the concrete and some flooring, and that's really exciting. One of the really big exciting things, though, is the fact that there's nothing in this space anymore. That used to be this water heater. Evidently, it was near its end. I'm going to walk through the back area here. Oh my gosh, this is so messy. And past the laundry area. And now the new water heater lives right back here. And maybe it's a sign that I've been involved in a renovation for a little bit too long, that I think this thing looks just sexy. Anyway, new fantastic water heater. It has Wi-Fi capabilities. Who knew? And it has an expansion tank. So, hooray!